I don't got the door swinging, guys. Hey, what it do? It's Mr. I Got Cars YouTube, and we back with another video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We in the church right now. Should I leave this open? Let me see. Turn on the light so y'all can see. Close the door since it's cold outside. Yep, man. Say, man, when I ain't working on the cars, I'm over here doing this plumbing work. Plumbing work is big church. I actually added an elevator in the church so the older people can get up here. Won't be tired like I am. You get this. It look like it, so I ain't gonna say. Add an elevator to the church. I'm just finishing up a few faucets, a few things. Whew, shoot. I forgot I left all that trash. I ain't been here in about a week. Gotta get all the trash up. Y'all see the work truck down there? Anyways, let's go in here. Alright, today, there was a little leak on that copper side, on the hot side, so I turned it on. We want some new fittings for these, so I'm gonna get us some new handles. Yep, this is a church. Yeah, they got a bathroom up here. But I know she wants some new fittings. Oh, and this had a little leak on it. I turned it on, and I couldn't get it to stop. You know what? I wonder why they even got this on her, just to think about it. Why did it take this out? I don't know why they even got this on. Take that out and hook it up direct. And it was something else. Oh yeah, that was. Let me plug up my phone. Need all the battery we can get, bruh. This is gonna take you out of my everyday life. Trying to get a little bread. Trying to pay the bills, you feel me? Got the charger. Somebody been up here cleaning up. Yeah, y'all, man. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. Mr. I Got Cars, Mr. I Got Plumbing. And we got rental houses. I think this one was good. And just one more thing I'm gonna do. All these got the push up pop-ups. And this one came with one that got the rod. So I'm going to change this out right here. See, ain't got no room. So I'm gonna put a pop-up, a push-up one in there. That should pretty much gonna be done. This is something else. Might be something wrong with this toilet too. I don't even want to mess with that right now. But I'm pretty sure something's wrong with it because it's not flushing. Come on, y'all want to see? You might have to clean up a little water. Let's see. Got stains in it. Let's see. Ain't got no cutoff. Ain't got no way to turn it on. Well, I guess we gotta fix that too, buddy. So right now I'm going to get the my pan, turn this water off, and get the putty, change that pop up out. Man, where the light at, bro? I'm gonna find the light too, man. There we go. Oh, no, there ain't no light. I'm gonna put the outside light. That's the light in there. Oh, I see it. I see it, bro. We got light, okay. I don't walk on a new carpet. Yeah, man. Cool outside today. Got down to 31. It feels like it was 27. Probably get back warm though. I mean, not warm, but temperature rise in a couple of days. Get this pan, bro. We're gonna do what it do, bro. Gotta pop up. See? I'm gonna put this one in for the pop up there. Yeah, dog. Y'all got any questions on some plumbing tips? Let me know. Get in the comments. I might can talk you through the process, save a little bread, or you can hire me. A lot of steps. Then you get the elevator working. Let's see, can turn on that toilet too. I can't remember if I was. I'll finish with this one too. Oh, hold on, Gander. Alright, yeah. Get that and adjust it. We got a phone call. My mama. She don't want that thing. This right here must be a flare. Gotta be a reason why they added on. I got some little smaller channel up in here. No, I brought some. So I don't know why they had this on at all. Anyways, but it was leaking, so we're just gonna hook it up direct. I was thinking maybe it would flare it, but I don't know. Rookies, you know what I'm saying? There ain't no professional like me, dog. There ain't no professional like me, dog. Alright, we through with that, y'all. Alright. We're gonna take the other pop-up out and put the other pop-up in. Yeah, dog. Alright, bro. I thought about this last week because all of them. Oh, shit. So, what we gonna do? Take this out. A lot of people put putty, compound, and all type of stuff. You don't need no putty or compound. You just need a washer, bro. Simple washer. Yeah, you don't need no compound. When you see people putting compound and stuff on the fitting, they don't know what they're doing, bro. Quick it is. Quick you can make you some money. Take this off of here. Bro, I'm over here trying to move fast for y'all. Pop up installation. It comes with this, but I like to go old school. I don't use that. I go with the putty. I'm looking for a golden retriever. I'm looking for a golden retriever. Put it in there. Screw this at the bottom. Stick one. Sorry guys. Camera makes malfunction.